Morning students, in geography we are continue with our chapter number 4, that is climate. Okay students, okay, yesterday we have discussed about the mechanism of monsoon. Okay, in this chapter nowadays we are discussing about our monsoon. Okay, as I have told you that monsoon is the name of wind. As at present, in today's days we are feeling that almost times we enjoy raindrops, rainfall. Okay, and this monsoon, these raindrops are due to monsoon winds. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about the mechanism of monsoon, these points. Okay, we have discussed about these points, and today I am taking this topic further. Okay, so today's topic is the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. It means onset means students the coming of the monsoon winds. Onset means coming and withdrawal means moving back. Okay, it means we will discuss today in this video. We will discuss that how and when our monsoon winds occur. How and when are these monsoon winds enter in our India. Okay, and how is the withdrawal and how these monsoon winds move back. Okay, so specially we will discuss that how these monsoon winds enter in our India, in which part, and on which time these monsoon winds enter. So let me start. Students, the monsoon, unlike the traders, are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it. On its way over the warm tropical seas, the duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days. Okay, as we all know that from where these moistureful winds are coming, these moistureful winds are coming from the Indian Ocean. Okay, as we have discussed in the mechanism also, that in summer season, like our April, May, June, July, like this, that in these months, in the interior part of our India, we have very hot season, hot temperature, and high temperature is equal to low atmospheric pressure. But on the Indian Ocean, in the areas of Indian Ocean, we have high atmospheric pressure. Okay, see here, see with this map. Okay, on the Indian Ocean we have high atmospheric pressure, and in the internal part of India we have low pressure. And as I have told you that wind moves from high pressure to low pressure area. So this is high pressure area and this is low pressure area. This is the reason that from the Indian Ocean, these monsoon winds take birth, and these monsoon winds start to move towards our India. These are monsoon winds. Okay students, so I'm going to explain further. Now see this page. Students, said we are discussing the duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid September. Okay, about the month, we can say that these monsoon winds enter in our India nearby in the first week of June, and these winds stay in our India nearby mid September. Okay, around the time of its arrival means coming, the normal rainfall increases suddenly. Okay, in the beginning we feel normal rainfall. Okay, agree or not? But suddenly we feel that the amount of rainfall increases and continues constantly, and many times this rainfall continues for 2 or 3 days, for several days. This is known as the burst of the monsoon. What it is known as the burst of the monsoon, when suddenly this rainfall increases and continues for many days. It is known as the burst of the monsoon, and can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. Okay, in the beginning we feel just like showers, but after some days we feel the burst of the monsoon. The monsoon arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula. Okay, now this is very important explanation for you that from where these monsoon winds enter. So these monsoon winds arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally by the first week of June. Generally by the first week of June. Okay, student. Subsequently, it proceeds into two branches. Okay, these monsoon winds enter in our India in two branches. Okay, first branch is the Arabian Sea branch and the second is the Bay of Bengal branch. Students, attend this chapter very carefully. This is very important chapter. Okay, and you will be very benefited with this chapter. So monsoon enters in our India in two branches, Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on approximately by the 10th of the June. I'm repeating again, the Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai. Okay, this branch reaches Mumbai about we can take an idea approximately in by the 10th of the June. This is a fairly rapid advance. The Bay of Bengal branch also advance. The Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. Student, this is the second branch. As I have told you, two branches we have: Arabian Sea branch number 1 and number 2 Bay of Bengal branch. So Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai nearby the 10th of the June, and Bay of Bengal branch arrives in Assam in the first week of June. Okay, students, the lofty mountains causes the monsoon winds to deflect means to turn towards the west over the Ganga plains. By mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch, and the central part of the country. You know, these parts are located in our Gujarat, Saurashtra and Kutch. So by mid of the June, our Arabian Sea branch reaches in the state of Gujarat. Just I'm going to repeat once again. In the first week of June, our Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai. Okay, in the first week of June, and by 15th of the June, Arabian Sea branch reaches in the state of Gujarat, and one more branch that is moving from Bay of Bengal. Okay, so students, okay, don't worry, we will discuss all these things with the help of map also. Okay, at that time you will be more comfortable. So at first let me read these lines. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Okay, students, you can easily understand that one branch is entering from this side. Okay, like this is our Arabian Sea, and one of the other branch is entering from this side. Okay, like this is our Bay of Bengal. Okay, so students, you know where these two branches merge means mixes. These two, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon, mix over the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Like here, northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Okay, these northwestern part of the Ganga plains. So here these two branches mixes with each other. Okay, students. Okay, and Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, now we are talking about our capital city Delhi. So capital city Delhi receives monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch, from this branch, Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, student, by the end of the June. Okay, nearby 29th of June. By the first week of July, western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and eastern Rajasthan. Okay, students, now this is our state. Okay, in which state we are living? Haryana. So our Haryana state, our western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. Okay, by the first week of July. Okay, students. Okay, by mid-July, by 15 July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country. Okay, by 15th of the July, the monsoon reaches in Himachal Pradesh, okay, in the northern part of our India and rest of the country. Now we will take the figure 4.3. Students, you know this is our figure 4.4, advancing monsoon. So what we have to take figure 4.3. Okay, it's not a big issue, we can discuss this map. Student, this is the map related to advancing monsoon. Attend this map very carefully, it is very important. Advancing monsoon means the coming of monsoon. As you all know that now only we have discussed about the advancing monsoon. So now we will discuss the same topic with the help of map. See, these are monsoon winds. These are monsoon winds. So we have discussed that we can divide our monsoon winds into two branches. One branch enters from the Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea branch. Okay, students, and the other branch is entering from Bay of Bengal. This is our Bay of Bengal. Okay, students, so one branch enters from this side and the other branch enters from this side, and this is, and at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula we have our Indian Ocean. Okay, so by the first week of June we have discussed by the it is our 1st June. Okay, so nearby 1st June our monsoon enters in the southern tip of our Indian peninsula. Okay, by the 5th of the June our monsoon winds, the Arabian Sea branch reaches nearby Karnataka. Okay, students, and after that by the 10th June our Arabian Sea branch reaches in Mumbai. You can see this is okay. So just remember the one more factor that these curves are equal to winds, monsoon winds. Okay, so this is the date of 10th June. We are creating like this, and this is also 10th June because this is the same, because these are the same winds, monsoon winds, like this. Okay, 5 June it is equal to, so 10 June it is equal to like this, 15 June it is equal to like this. So by the 15th of the June our Arabian Sea branch reaches in Gujarat. Okay, and in the first week of July our Arabian Sea branch reaches near the northwestern states of our Ganga plain, like these are Chandigarh, okay, Haryana and Delhi. Okay, students, so 15 so nearby 15 July our monsoon winds are moving further. Okay, and these winds enters in the northern state of our India. Okay, now we will discuss about the second branch, Bay of Bengal branch. Students, our Bay of Bengal branch reaches in the northeastern states of our India nearby the 1st June. Okay, and it is also our 5 June. So by the 5 June these monsoon winds are moving further. Okay, students, and as we have discussed one more point, this one that we can say that Delhi, we have discussed these lines, and just read once more. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon mix over the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Okay, students, see, these branches are coming from this side, and these branches are this branch is coming from this side. So both of these two branches mix in the Ganga plain, this branch and this branch, and you all know that all these states are included in our Ganga plain. Okay, students, so in this video this much is enough for you. Okay, so what we have discussed, students, we have discussed about the onset of the monsoon. It means the coming of the monsoon. Okay, I have told you that we can divide our monsoon winds into two branches, one Arabian Sea branch and the second is Bay of Bengal branch, and we have discussed the same thing with the help of map also. So students, what you have to do, you have to prepare this map Okay, and after preparation you have to paste this map in your geography notebook. Okay, in my next video I will give you further explanation. Okay, thank you students, have a good day.